8th floor, you're alive. So now what? Well, let me bring you a morning motivational minute-ish. Loss is nothing else but change, and change is nature's delight. Marcus Aurelius. So, yep, loss is nothing else but change. Change is nature's delight. What? Yep, it's crazy, but it is true. Loss is nothing else but change. Change is nature's delight. Everything is always going to change, and no matter how much we want it not to, it does. So I would say let's just go ahead, gather up all the things we love to do, and do them. So I'd say just remember, y'all, you matter, your story matters. You belong here. Cheers, y'all. Have a great day.